I'm making a chocolate pistachio fudge tart for my friend Raffaella. And I'm gonna start with the pistachio crust. So we're doing 3 tablespoons of sugar to 1.5 cups of shelled pistachios. And I'm also gonna add just a little bit of salt, about 1/2 teaspoon, just to kind of balance out all the chocolate we're gonna put on top of this crust once it's baked and cooled. All right, so now that we've broken up the pistachios, we're gonna add 6 little biscuits. Now, these are very similar to, what we call graham crackers at home. They're little sweet biscuits and they break very easily and they're perfect for this crust. We're also gonna add a stick of melted unsalted butter, right there. So 8 tablespoons. And the butter's gonna bring it all together. So let's just mix this all together. Yes, this thing is powerful. Love it. I'm gonna take the blade out and we're just gonna pour the crust right in the center of the springform pan. So we're using a nice springform pan, which will make it a lot easier to remove the whole tart. Just press down on the crust. So now what I wanna do is pop this in the oven at 350 for about 12 minutes until the edges are nice and golden brown. So I'm breaking up some chocolate for my fudgy part of my tart. So my pistachio tart crust has baked and it's cooling. I'm using dark chocolate. I really like this with about 70% chocolate. I heat up 1.5 cups of heavy cream, and we wanna pour the cream right over and add about 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a little extra sweetness, and a little bit of salt, just to balance out the sweetness of the tart. And then mix it all together until all the chocolate is completely melted. Okay, so now let's grab our tart. Our tart is cooled and it's nice and golden brown all over the edges. We take the mixture and we pour it right over the pistachio cooled tart shell. Perfect. I'm taking some dried apricots. We're gonna chop them up and we're gonna sprinkle them right on top. So I've chilled my tart. You just go like this with a springform pan and slowly loosen it away from the sides. And ta-da! Look how pretty it looks.